Hey guys, we are back with Vlogmas day 14, and in today's video I'm taking you along with me for my holiday open house that I just did over the past week. I did it on Tuesday and Thursday, so I got some fun footage of setup and also what my whole little space looked like. So I hope you enjoy this fun little video of my holiday open house, and I'll do a little recap at the end of how I did and some of my thoughts on it. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching this video about my holiday open house. I did very well with it. I was really pleasantly surprised. This was just something I did with my cousin Christy and another lady that we know that sells Scentsy products. And so there was no cost for it other than just the cost of like some snacks that we put together to make it so that we had some snacks, foods, and things for people as they came and shopped. So it was, you know, a super cheap, super kind of last minute put together event, but we had a lot of fun with it. A lot of friends and family showed up, so thank you so much to everyone that came by and shopped from all of us. We really appreciate it. But yeah, like I said, I did really well with it. I was super happy with the things that I sold. It's not an event where I'm obviously expecting to make hundreds and hundreds of dollars, but I was happy to make a little bit of extra money before the holidays for sure, and just be able to set up stuff and do something fun like that and get some fun content for Vlogmas as well. So I'm definitely hoping for more markets and pop-ups and in-person things next year, and I'm planning on literally January 1st applying for probably my biggest one. And I'm gonna save it. Don't want to say which one it is yet because I have no idea if I'll actually get into it or not because it's juried, but I am literally planning to sign up as soon as they open their applications, which is on January 1st. So that may give a hint to some of you if you're local to the Ohio area. But yeah, I am definitely wanting to do more events in person for sure and have some really fun plans with that. Also, like I said in a previous video here in Vlogmas, I've been thinking about doing the whole in-person booth space at an antique mall. So all of those thoughts are just, you know, coming to me as far as being able to get my product in front of people's eyes and getting them to see the different things and setting it all up. I just feel like it really helps sell it for me. So yeah, definitely wanting to do more of that in 2025. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for watching this episode of Vlogmas. It's day 14, and I will see you tomorrow for day 15. Bye.